design concession authorization and design change note, if it is agreed by ADNOC, so we have to do the risk assessment. Any risk assessment is done?
We have previously the risk review workshop already, and we are taking part of the preliminary all identify risk and closeouts is all already done for this. But after submitting this DCA, is risk assessment and all is not from our side.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, even you can see this for you AGVS and DGS.
Yeah, that is correct. That means you have the system, that we have the system.
Yeah.
You have the system, so this is not there, design is not there, so I remove it. And the technical deviation, you have any technical deviation request, something, management procedure?
Yes, Mr. Akhil, you can show the TQ. Technical queries. One TQ, can you demonstrate, Mr. Akhil?
Yeah, yes. This is the TQs.
Okay, TQ. Very good. You have the system. So this document number I want. You can give me later on.
Mr. Akhil, now you have demonstrated to the forum. ADNOC also is here. Whatever you demonstrated, one is the engineering execution plan, DCA, and the technical query. These things you transfer to me, please.
Yeah, sure. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So this I will note down. Yes. No problem. Confirm the changes are subject to risk assessment. So as you mentioned that risk assessments are done, but I want to see one example of risk assessment. One example of risk assessment.
Mr. Akhil, during the engineering phase, we have done a risk assessment. Can you show one template of risk assessment?
Chairman, I would like to confirm that changes are subjected to risk assessment. Because if there is the MOC change, if that leads to the
P&ID
changes in that case. But what is the thing is, if there is no changes based on the P&IDs and other things, they will not have been for the risk assessment.
Yeah. So no, question is simple. If there is a change in the process equipment, process system, that means it may have risk higher or lower. So this has to be demonstrated by some risk assessment. So normally in ADNOC, if it is a process related changes, so you do HOP. Because without HOP, you will not allow them. So I just want to see the demonstration.
Because here the project itself based on the MOC change, we are doing it. Because already whatever the changes they are identifying it. Because what I'm trying to say is to confirm that the MOC procedure is being placed for any changes not in kind. Confirm that an MOC procedure is in place to change also. They are saying that they have a DCA procedure. Changes are being recorded in the DCA format.
Yeah.
Project has been developed to manage it